In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I drew these iconic flame lips that you see all over Instagram and Pinterest. I got this request a couple weeks ago on one of my most recent videos and decided to give it a try. This is among one of the easiest drawings I've done in a while. It took me less than an hour and it was relatively easy to do. But before we get started with the video, be sure to subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see me do a tutorial on next. The first thing I did was draw an oval shape. Then I went and made it a little neater and rounded it off a bit more. Then I drew a little bump at the top of the circle and draw what looks like an eye in the middle. Then I drew two lines on the inside of the eye shape and added some triangles to show where the teeth begin and end. I rounded off the teeth a little bit more to make it look a little more realistic and drew in the tongue. The next thing I did was the flame shape. This was like the best part. All you need to do is draw these little squiggle things and yeah. Then I went over the entire drawing with my kneaded eraser to lighten up the sketch. I started off by going in with a black color pencil, but I realized that there isn't much shading in the black part, so I just went over the entire thing with a black marker. This isn't completely necessary, you can use a pencil, but I just found a marker was quicker. The next thing I did was grab a dark shade of red and went in at the tips of the flame. As you can see, I color in a little lighter towards the end so it's easier to blend in the next color. Then I went in with my orange. I went over all the shadowed areas on the bottom lip with an orange color pencil to make it look more 3D, and went in with my bright yellow color pencil. Then I continued to shade the bottom lip just how I shaded the top lip in. Then I started to color in the inside of the mouth and I went over the outline of the teeth with dark brown color pencil. I added in a lot of shadowing because the inside of the mouth was pretty dark. After I added all my shadows in, I went over them with a red colored pencil. I colored in the highlighted parts with a white color pencil. Then I added some shadows to the teeth along with the lines that separate them. Then I went over all the teeth with a white color pencil. And the final thing I did was add highlights. I love this part, it brings the whole drawing together and really does make it look realistic. Then I signed it with my name and that's the end of the tutorial. Yeah, if you want to see my other tutorials, the link is in my description. I have a whole playlist there. And if you want to see my other videos, check out my channel, and if you want to, subscribe. Anyways, thanks for watching.